that's that. So if you haven't seen my towers, right now they're actually on the side. Got two of them, and I put foam on it so I didn't jack up my props. And yeah, this first one I actually built, it was a wrong daggone size. It was I wanted to build it strong, and I thought this stuff was going to be strong enough. It's not. I think it's like 3/4 inch, the real thin stuff. So I moved to this 1.5 inch, 1/4 inch thick. This stuff's really strong, and I actually couldn't find foam to fit over top of this. It took me a long time. I did eventually find it, but it took me a super long time to find it. And it says it's supposed to fit mine, but it doesn't. So I think I paid $200 just for the foam, and it's starting to crumble and all that stuff now. So, but this was just for learning FPV freestyle and stuff like that. Eventually all this will come off of here, and once I'm good enough. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. And that over there is just my dog kennel. It's not anything special. So hey, I'm JT with Country Boy Drones. I appreciate each and every one of you stopping by to check out my videos. It's June of 2021, and I am just now getting going. It's been a while since I've spun up some props, so now I got some making up to do. Thanks for stopping by. I got some great content coming out this year. I hope you'll stop back by and check it out and tell your friends about it. Yeah, until I see you again.